USG Usibonelo Nomvalo, in his address when he is responding to media questions over the weekend or sometime last week, I could be making a mistake. He says, he mentions in Daboguti, since he has been given a position yokuba ngu-SG in the organization, Umkhonto Wesizwe, there has never been any amount to the value of 20 million. Now, two things. He could have been referring to a transaction of more than 20 million, which is something different. The other option is that he could be referring, which is a worrying factor, if that is the case. If he is referring to the finances, the balance in the account, bank account, Yomkhonto Wesizwe, if he is referring to that amount of more than 20 million that has never been there since he has been appointed SG, that is a worrying factor. That is a worrying factor because Umkhonto Wesizwe, excluding imali ozifumanayo as an organization that comes from Parliament, as is the case with any other organization, it gets monies from government in accordance with the proportion of representation in Parliament, in legislature, and what have you. Now, if that 20 million he is talking about refers to a bank balance yomkhonto wesizwe engakazange ibe more than 20 million since wafika, the second option, that is a worrying factor. It simply confirms ukuthi imali yomkhonto wesizwe idliwe, because even before elections there were, just from membership yomkhonto wesizwe, which was paid directly to the bank account by people that were registering online. People that had registered online at some point, I think around March 2024, they were already more than 18 million. Now, if roughly, and we know for a fact, because we were recruiting people and we also and we had also joined and paid monies online, just from online membership, which accounted to more than 18 million. Now, for ease of reference, I'm just going to say 18 million and not count the other numbers. 18 million times 10 rand, if umuntu ebe register for 1 year, which was not the case, because people that were registering online were paying a membership for 5 years. They were not paying anything less than 100 rands, because it does not make sense to make a payment of 10 rand from a logical and financial point of view, it does not make sense for anyone to make a payment of 10 Rand via online, via a bank app, when you know that the bank charges that you are going to be charged by your bank for any transaction are not going to be less than 30 rands, even for a transaction of 10 rands. Hence, it makes a lot of sense and cost-cutting measures, financial responsibility, for one to pay for 5 years, pay rather 50 rands, which was the case. But I'm not going to stick on that. Already from e-membership, there would have been 180 million rands if we are saying people were paying only for 1 year, 10 rands. Now they were not paying for 1 year, and over and above the 10 Rand membership times 5 for 5 years. People were also paying, making donations and making a payment of 100 rands, a round figure. We've got proof of payments for those things. So people were paying 100 rands, 50 rands for membership because you could not pay membership for more than 5 years, and then 50 rands for donation, and they would make a lump sum of 100 rands or even more. That's just from members that joined Umkhonto weSizwe, that we recruited, that we assisted in registering online after they had made the payment themselves and then given us proof of payment. So to say Umkhonto weSizwe has never had more than 20 million rands, it means abayidlanga bayibhubhisile i-NHC nama-officials azibekile imali yethu yombutho. Just from us members, bantshontshile from us. Sikakhulumi ngale yasepalamente, phofu eyeyethu nayo, because iginqizwe cities ground forces. Those votes noma zirigiwe siqhathiwe, but the little that we are getting out of the 14-15% abagqibele besinikeza yena for the seats that we have in parliament. Yeyethu, yeyesizwe, yeyomkhonto weSizwe, akusiyama-officials. It means abayidlanga bayiphaxazile. They must account for that. They must pay for that. It cannot be that sizawubalekela amasela kwagogo, sifike sizophushwa out embuthweni wethu esiwakhileyo ngokwethu ngamasela, asintshontshele nje futhi asenze izibhanxa, sithi as accountants, sithi as auditors. Akunawuphela kanjalo. Naba bebehambile bebetshintshana nje, bebengatshintshani because bayalwa okanye kutheni na, bebetshintshanela laa nto baqhela uyenza kakade, typical of amasela. Ukuthi mase usebenzile wena bakushifte bakususe ecaleni, usewusebenzele lo sathana wabo sebesebenzile ngawo sewubantshontshelwe for uba mawunga-account, as if i-audit trail won't be there. I-audit trail will always be there. And for as long as you are responsible, you should account. Omaseko aba bebengazi into nje ngepolitiki, bengazi into, bengazi nokuthi i-people's mandate ithini, na bengakwazi ukuphendula nange-policies ze-organization. Sebengo-SG bomkokotelo bobusela abathunyiweyo, bebengakwazi ukuphendula nje, bebekwazi ukuntshontsha imali lezi namankazana wabo abawashiyileyo la abebebhala incwadi ngawo. Kubhala wona ungazi ukuthi le leadership yomkhonto wesizwe kanti ihamba kanjani. Ihamba ngebedroom ukuthi ma uyi-SG Somari nomuntu ohleka naye unale responsibility yobu-SG, sekayinkokheli naye. Siphi apha? Siphi? Sisenkonzweni yalaba pasta Mbumbulu abantshontsha imali zabantu. Funeka nibuse nomfazi wakhona. Ngongathi babizwe bobabini ngulo Nkulunkulu. Hayibo. Abahambileyo omaseko bonke. Sengikhohliwe noba bekungobani na. Bebezenza o-SG. Singazi ukuthi baqhamuka kuphi. Jiki sebebuyela kwimisebenzi yakwa-government. Bebaleka. Begquka umkhondo, bebaleka ubusela babenzile apha. Now that we cannot discipline them within the organization because they are outside nabo fraud Floyd babo, kuzawumele sibavulele amacala, sibabophisile ngobusela. Kuzawumele sibabophisile ngobusela. If we cannot lay charges ezizezinye against them, but bona ubusela makuvulwe incwadi, maksivulelwe incwadi, we are entitled to that. That is something that was supposed to have happened December of 2024. Instead, that did not happen. Babizi Pati, Moses Mabhida bona. Bamakyiwe le mali yomkhonto wesizwe ngoba bona bane-mandate yoba they must go emkhontweni wesizwe bawuhlakaze, bawubankruptile ke. It cannot be that such a big organization ene-membership esiyibhatalele siyo esiyirecruitele engekaze ibonwe kweli lizwe. More than 18 million people. And that's just people that registered online, excluding the manual membership forms. So masingaqhelwa kakubi ngamasela. Masingathathwa for granted siyisizwe ngamasela izinto ezazi ukuthengisa nokuntshontsha kuphela. Zingena interest yenkululeko nenhlalakahle yesizwe nabantu. Izawukhime kancinci indaba yenkomfa. Ngoba kwankomfa leyo ebizelwa eBashley ehotele. It takes money. It costs money. Money eyeyethu engeka accountelo. Mayikhime iBashley nenkomfa phofu ke uSecretary General sekathe seyitshintshiwe ebunkomfeni kwi-policy conference. Bizaba i-policy conference kanjani? Ipolicy yobani singekho thina banikazi abaqala inhlangano bayisebenzele. Bizaba i-policy conference yobani ngaphezu koba bekuyimpinda yalanto bayenzayo kwi-ANC ngo-1990 1991 bayiphoqela uba mayiye conference ingekho ready. Bizaba i-policy conference. You don't just call people nge-media uthi whosoever wants to be part of i-policy conference must come. Iqala from branch level emasebeni la bangawokhanga la basikhuphele ngaphandle thina xa kusekufuneka ke ngokuba masokhe lo mkhonto wesizwe bagxalathelana bazifaka bazenza i-NHC because imandate yabo ukuba mabazohlakaza lo mkhonto wesizwe yize kungenazi branches namanje. Ayikho organization engenazi branches noba uzayibiza bazi-cells noba uzayibiza gama bani na, but i-organization iqala apha phantsi nepolicy iqala apha phantsi ebantwini ibe zii-suggestions namagalelo abantu oba endaweni ethile basithetha ngo-financial policy, basithetha ngo-international policy, basithetha ngo-economic policy. Iqala apha phantsi emasebeni inyuke ke iye eziriginini kwa i-structures zenhlangano ziqala phantsi. Awuvele uqale wena sewuyi-provincial ntontoni sewuyi-national ntontoni nala national organizer kungekho nto ayi-organizayo. Wenzani umsebenzi wakhe? Uyawazi umsebenzi wobu-national organizer uba yintoni na? Bonke phofu abantu ebebeholda bo-position bonga-national organizer akukho nto bayenzayo. Umsebenzi ka-national organizer kukwakha umbutho, kukwakha ii-branches zilontshiwe ngokusesikweni ezi uFloyd angazange azakhe. Wayezawuzakha njani? Phofu kwalo unational organizer ucinga fanuba umsebenzi wakhe kuku-MC-ya, kukuba ngu-MC kwii-events. That's not umsebenzi ka-national organizer. Umkhonto wesizwe awunazi branches kodwa bebhizi bethwele intloko kwi-media platforms. Kwa i-communication, you don't communicate with ifamily yakho, usapho lwakho, even kwakho endlini. You don't communicate with them through i-media. Abathi baqinga ukuqala ukuyiva into yalapha ekhaya baqala ukuyiva kwi-media. Uhlala phi? Le nto uzawucommunicate nosapho lwakho nefamily yakho through the media platforms, ubize i-press conference. Funeka ngoku thina sibe zizigqila zizuba funeka iindaba zasekhaya siyoziva kwi-press conference ziqale kwi-Stratcom. Laa nto ibisenziwa kanye kwagogo because i-Stratcom was the controlling party kaRupert. Nalapha kumkhonto wesizwe funeka kube kunjalo ngoku. Hayi bo, masingazelwa nemikhwa esingayaziyo. Umkhonto wesizwe ngumbutho wabantu. Ngumbutho wabantu. Not umbutho we-Stratcom. Not umbutho wempimpi nee-agents eziplantwe yi-ANC kaRupert. akho ndaba zomkhondo wesizwe ke ekufanele ziyoqala le kwimedia singayazi thina abanikazi bekhaya, thina abantwana basekhaya singayazi loo nto leyo funeka siqale siyoyiva kwimedia. Kuyale akho direction wes khona nje ngoba sesigoqe izandla ke sakhumkhanyo thina bayo le nto le, kho direction. Abazi ukuthi kumele bayenze ntoni na, zange ba-leader organization neyiphi nenjani na. Ukwazi isilungu does not mean ukuthi sowazi izinto. Mabehle sikwelo sitsho sonke, mayehle lama officials esingawazi. Kwawusinda uNomvalo noSifiso ke because bangena zolo loku ngabantu bethu, ngabethu zii-red forces zethu. Ndiyele lot mabehle no-Brian Mlifi nakakade, kho nto basincede ngayo Brian Mlifi no-Lucky Montana, akho nto bayicontributhileyo. Bazuthi babefeyile kwii-organizations ke ababezilidisha bezi-appointelwe ngendlela ababezi-appointelwe ngazo bazowupasa kwi-political organization. Mabehle naba basezipalamente mabaphume, abasirepresenti nakakade, bakhona nje bahleli. Abasirepresenti bayithatha kubani imandate, iphi constituencies zazo, because you don't just go to parliament ungena constituency, urepresenta bani. Ngubani okunikeza i-input into yoba endaweni ethile sifuna oku noku noku noku. Ukuba sepalamente ayiyokokuba ufumane itshansi yoba nawo mawukufumane itshansi yoba mawuhlale ezipalamente uphume ezithivini ufumane ii-benefits ongazisebenzelanga. Xa usepalamente ungumphathiswa, ungumthunywa, uthunyiwe. Bathunywa ngubani ke bona ke? Because abezi kuthi, abana-constituency, zange beza from day one. Xa bekweza committees nayo yonke laa nto bathetha iinto zomqala wabo ezizii-opinions zabo abangazaziyo phofu bashwamze. Intlekisa umkhonto wesizwe in social media platforms all over. Uyintlekisa because each time kuphakama umntu womkhonto wesizwe uphakama athethe into angayazi, angayirisetshanga noyirisetshha. Wes ukuthi akuyo mandate ye-constituency eyi-membership yomkhonto wesizwe because they don't have a constituency. Xa ungabuza abanye babo uthi veza i-membership yakho yomkhonto, you'll be surprised ukuthi bayithathe nini i-membership abanayo, yet basepalamente ngetikiti lomkhonto wesizwe, contributing to the very agenda ye-enemy yoba umkhonto wesizwe mawuhlakazwe. No, it cannot be. Ududu eqhushumba nje akaphambenanga umntana kababa. Xa eqhushumba ududu sube kukho into, history has shown that, has told us that. Ethule nje engathethi. Xa eqhushumba, in the very same way awathi fuck you Floyd, it's because kwakukho into ngaphakathi abebehleli phezu kwayo le leadership echitha umkhonto wesizwe. wayilwa umntakazuma, wayilwa silently until kufikelela lapho abona ukuthi hayi ukhathele manje naye. Wayekhathele ngakhona, wayekhathele izinto ababezenza bona lamavezandleka, lamambuka ablandwayo kumkhondo wesizwe. Wayengamananga nje wathi fuck you Floyd out of the blue. Who does not say fuck you? Everybody does that. Inhlamba ubangaba inhlamba lonto leyo because ayiseyo nhlamba. Ayiqalanga ukuthethwa nguDudu. Let alone ukuthi they blew it out of proportion. Ukuthi she must be fired. Fired embuthweni kabani? Bebephi bona? Bebephi? uDudu if wayenetyala, ityala lakhe would have been to be gullible and believing ukuthi abantu bayizo lezinto abaziveza ngongathi bazizo kuyena. Ityala lakhe would have been ukuthi angabazi labantu ukuthi bangopende bani na. Acabanga ukuthi they are the real people, mhlambe ebhanqeke sisilungu sakhona. If there was any tyala ke alenzileyo zezonto zimbini, then she's guilty as charged. In the very same way that the Zuma 3 in KZN, nabo abathemba ukuthi hayi xa esithi uSG makabolekwe i-bank account, abe ne-access to i-bank account in preparation for i-anniversary. Why not? And they gave him i-card and gave him access to the bank card and finances ukuthi kusebenzeke for the event. Wabajikela ngasemva, wathatha yonke imali ekwi-bank account yephondo lase-KZN. Wawugqiba ukuquka umkhondo wento ayenzileyo, wabajikela ngasemva, wabaxosha embuthweni afike bewubilele abantwana bakaZuma, bewusebenzele othwabani. But wafika wabaxosha xa sedle imali yephondo, wawugqiba wabatyabeka ngento eyenziwe nguye. It cannot be ukuthi bazawukhwela bezehlela nakuthi zi-Red Forces kubo bonke abantwana bakaZuma esingabo kuthuleke nje kungenzeki into. Ngelo xesha isizwe sona siyalimala because kulimala le vision esiyiphathisiwe, kulimala yona. Ngelinye ngomzuzwana nomzuzwana edileyayo inkululeko yomntu omnyama, bangaphi abantu abalala bengadlile, bangaphi abantu abahluphekayo besentluphekweni yengcinezelo engekudala siphumile kuyo. But because of amasela namambuka, we are delayed as a nation. We are delayed as a nation. They don't care ke bona ke about the consequences yazo zonke lezi zinto bazenzayo. All they care about is their egos. Nokuthi la kukhona babehave ngathi bangamagundwane, la kuno cheese khona bayanukelwa. They just want cheese. Regardless ukuthi what is the consequence yalento yenzayo namhlanje to the entire nation. Well, they've never been nation builders. They've never been amathandazwe. They've always been agents of Lloyd nezizwe ezikhulu. I-damage abayenzileyo, but ukuthi baphumile bangaphandle of Lloyd does not mean ukuthi damage ayibonakali, and does not mean ukuthi baphume bonke. Whilst babengaphakathi, they had so much influence and they used imali yomkhonto wesizwe to buy i-membership yomkhonto wesizwe, abantu abaweak naturally, ukuthi baphenduke, bachitha kuma-region, bachitha kuma-branches. So umthelela wabo usenedent, kusekubi. It was premature. In fact, premature is not the right word. It was completely wrong into yoba kuthiwe kuyiwa ku-policy conference. Uya ku-policy conference nobani? Noodondolozi abangazinto ngapolisi nantoni. What are you going to achieve there? Because you're just going to waste money. And it cannot be changed from policy conference to a workshop. You can't afford, especially that uNomvalo ke ngoku has mentioned indaba yokuthi the finances, he has mentioned lento ye-finances that has not been more than 20 million since afikile. If it's this option 2, he means the bank balance, really. Therefore, you cannot afford, xa ungumntu oqeqayo and manager i-finances the organization responsibly, you cannot afford with a 20 million bank balance or less than 20 million bank balance, organization, you cannot afford to have a 20 million workshop. Ayenzeki njalo. Ayenzeki njalo because i-bill yasebheshli, it's not going to be 20 million, it's going to be more than 20 million. And if that 20 million is a bank balance, or less than 20 million is a bank balance, kumkhonto wesizwe, you cannot, it simply means it's going, that workshop on its own, it's going to result in a liability of whatever balance that is left owing to Beshley after that. And what does that mean? In essence, it means umkhonto wesizwe will be bankrupt after the 20 million or 40 million workshop. You don't need a workshop for policies. It's even worse policies ezingekazi. Masses. Because if uyenza kakuhle indaba yepolicy iqala apha ifana uqala khona emasebeni. All you are doing after ufumene from wonke lo masebe. But I don't see iqala emasebeni because awekho amasebe. National organizer, all the national organizers have not built amasebe. Sihleli nje singumkhonto wesizwe siyi-membership. Ngolhlobo siyi-membership ngalo. Olungahlukanga from before elections when we're still just recruiting. Sihleli nemibhumbutho ye-forms. Sihleli nje nemibhumbutho ye-membership form. Zabantu esibarecruitile. Uninzi lwethu. Abe be-recruiter manual. but akukho nto ya-officializwayo kwathiwa branches ngaphandle kwala damage yenziwa nguFloyd ke. The rest is history, everybody knows. So ipolicy akukho ndawo apho kuthiwa hayi ke ixoxwa khona kuconsolidate kuboniswane kutabulate these documents. Then at national level, at a central point, it's simply to consolidate. But to consolidate was something that the masses, the members, the blood life of the organization already knows about. Because they've been involved, because they've contributed, because balungisene ba-debate apho kumele be-debate khona, and they've come to an agreement. Then at a central point, at high level, it's consolidation. We don't need to tell the leadership loo nto leyo if ngempela bekuyi-leadership on merit as a national organizer. But bahleli nje nezikhundla, bahleli neetayitile because umkhonto wesizwe bawenze wabo lo bawuhijakileyo. It cannot be. It cannot be. And now that ama-elections afikile, it's election season, it's election year, they are expecting ukuthi the very same people kumele banqininisele bona bafike sebedictate abantu ba endaweni ethile nangu umuntu ozaba imeya efika phofu the very same thing abayenzayo in March 2024 bafike sebefaka emalistini abantu abaphuma kwa-ANC fresh from ANC abanye bengeka resign no resigner kwa-ANC entsika yethu ecofa imvaba babeke umuntu obuya econferencini ye-ANC njengoba ingakhange ithi ihlale nje kwelaa phondo lase-Eastern Cape owayekhe phofu wakhona kwi-leadership minyaka ethile yekamasipala entsika yethu waphuma ke waphumela ecaleni ngelaa xesha likaMbeki emva koko waphumela ecaleni ke ngoku wangapasi kwi-administration ezilandelayo bamrecyclishile ngoku bambekile ububuso bemeya yasentsika yethu njengoba kusiwa ku-2026 elections nje kumkhonto wesizwe lo angawusebenzelanga ufika selandwa kwa-ANC same thing that they did abantu i-leadership yomkhonto wesizwe asimangalanga ke phofu it's the same thing abeyenzile ngelaa xesha bezingekadisbandwa i-provincial leadership nentontoni babekudala impofu kwathiwa uyintontoni yase-Eastern Cape siyazibona izinto la kwamkhonto wesizwe bayenzile ngoku ngubani ozawukhampeyina akhampeynele umuntu we-ANC phofu ophuma kwa-ANC emkhampeynela ngetikiti lomkhonto wesizwe orecyclishiweyo phofu onezinto zakhe wayephumela izinto zakhe naye phaa kwa-ANC azafeyile kwi-administration kaPresident Zuma in the years that came after. It's just the Zuma haters ziyaplayisana left, right and center. Basebenzile abantwana lo mntana kaHani e-Eastern Cape kulaa cofa imvaba kulaa ntsika yethu nabanye endingazubabiza ngamagama just to protect them kulaa marhamncwa apha bayisebenzile laa ntsika yethu beyiqala phantsi beyisebenza kulaa Eastern Cape indaba yomkhonto wesizwe ungafunwa phakathi kwezinto ngezinto besebenza bebetha imali zabepokothweni abangazithatha indawo. The next thing xa sekusithiwa kuyatyiwa phinde funeka futhi kuthathwe umntu phaa kwa-ANC fresh from a failed conference yakwa-ANC ngoba iphelile i-ANC kubi phaa uba makazobekwa apha kumkhonto wesizwe kuthiwe yimeya bubuso bemeya besikade sifuna umntu singamfumani. Bebemfuna phi umntu ngaphezu kwabo bengamfumani lo mntu ozawucula eli culo labo lothengisa lozozixuba apha kwamkhonto wesizwe babe besazi into yoba bathunywe kwa-ANC. Bebemfuna phi kule ndawo bangamfumananga kuyo? Hayi bo, mayehle le leadership yabathengisi, mayehle. Khonto bayenzileyo, they have failed, and in any case babenga-elekthwanga kakade nakakade and babenga-appointwanga nanguPresident Zuma, because abantu abe-appointwe nguPresident Zuma, they have appointment letters. Bona, they are announcements, not appointments. That's the difference. They are their own announcements because baz announcer bona, they were not appointed by President Jacob Zuma. They must vacate the positions.
That's just a representation.
Maqabane, ngifuna lento ukuthi silungiseni. I know ukuthi maningi ama-comrade are in support of what we are saying, some of us. Esibona ngehlo lokhozi. Why ngisho njalo sengiyabona ukuthi okay ama-respond maningi kuma group kusho ukuthi abantu abajabulile, people are not happy, and now it shows that it's a fact on what we are alluding on our groups. Bafethu ngifuna nje sibheke ngalendlela lento. Ngifuna siqale lapha kwi-RT njengade sengi-explainile ukuthi kwasuswa abantu ku-RT babengafunwa because babeyi-threat towards the leadership ebeyikhona ngaleso sikhathi kumkhonto wesizwe party. Now sekususwe abanye esiqale nabo emkhontweni saba nabo isikhathi benza sure ukuthi kuwo wonke ama-celebration ebewakhona ngaphakathi kwase countryni omkhonto wesizwe, they were part organizing all those things. Bayasuswa bonke labo bantu. Now who's next? Yabona ngifuna nibheke ngalelo lihlo lelo. Even though you are aligned with them for now bakufakile kwi-position, but you must know ukuthi you are not permanent. And in times goes nawe basazokugudlula because bewunalaba abayi-problem. Now we need to bring those who understand where umkhonto wesizwe come from, what happened before where we are here today. If asinayo lo background leyo, we are going nowhere as umkhonto wesizwe party. Now let us secure our organization ngabantu esazi ukuthi labantu ba legit and abantu esazi ukuthi baqala lento ngoba befuna ukubona isiphetho sayo ukuthi kusasa sizoba kuphi. Not ngabantu abayigibele bengayazi beyiqala ngoba sebeyiqala ngoba nakusebabizwa thiwa woza uzoba iphathi yethu ngomqondo wakho. Besicabanga ukuthi nje bafethu ake sihlanganeni because ngiyezwa maningi amaqabana akhalayo njengoba ngikhuluma ngendaba ye-petition ukuthi we are going to ambush ubaba as our president. It's our president. We have a right. Angeke sotshelwa abanye ababiziwe naba-invitiwe just ukuba yiphathi leadership bese sithi bazositshela ukuthi ubaba simbona makwenze njani. We want to see ubaba ngazo lezo 18. It's urgent and immediately. Sifuna ukuthi senze make sure ukuthi silungisa yonke into naye ngalelo langa because we are not helping a leadership since from 2023. We didn't see anything happening. The only thing esibonayo sibona nje incwadi ziyaflya nje, incwadi ziyaflya. Uyabona abantu abacontainwa i-desk sometimes baba i-problem. Ukusho ukuthi if wawungasinda by desk ngabe kahle kahle you are nowhere. Now nje ake simeni nje ngale incwadi ezigcwele eziloko sifaka sikhishwa. I-organization ayakhiwa incwadi, ayakhiwa amaphepha. Yakhiwa ubustand firm babantu nokuba open nokuba transparent to kuma members. Ayakhiwa amaphepha i-organization. Now labantu ababhizi ngamaphepha balobe sithumela amaphepha la, hey yeah ubani lokhu. No. We need leaders who are coming to people. Leaders who are going to up and down to provinces and give lecturing how to run the organization. Kumanje kustakile kuma province na kuma region. Kustakile because of we don't have leadership. Sine leadership yamaphepha yokubhala. Sinabo mabhalane emkhontweni. Ndani ukwenza izinto ezipractical. No. Sayinanika ama-petition bafethu. So anikeza ubaba the day afika lapha. Ama-petition wethu anama-demands ukuthi le leadership esinayo ayehle. Si right ngayo. We can't have people who are coming with what style take over la. Abazofuna ukuzenza ngathi bayazi bengazi.